All right, welcome to another Fast Holiday Workshop. And I'm Kel from Children's Services.
And I'm Jonathan from the Library Innovation Studio.
Today we're going to show you how to make some butter from scratch. So what you're going to need is a glass jar with a lid on it, or...
I'm going to try a small piece of plastic storage, like Tupperware stuff.
I'm going to be using some dollop cream.
And I've got just thickened cream.
The last component is some marbles.
I've picked marbles that are not white and not too see-through, so we can find them easily in our butter. Now, how much should we use?
Don't know. It's a true experiment.
I guess we need to leave a bit of room for shaking, so we won't fill it completely up. Now, I'm going to pick a normal size marble.
Well, I may as well go for a larger one and we'll see what works. Pop it in. Yes. All right, you ready?
I'll let you go first.
Okay, you ready? Not that bad.
No, that's not bad at all.
I feel like I'm doing my exercise.
Whew, hard work. This is definitely thickening up, because no matter how hard I shake it, the marble doesn't seem to be able to get through quick enough to go donk, donk, donk like it was before.
I can't hear the marble anymore.
No. Ooh, is it time to check? I think so.
Okay, so it's not butter yet, it's just very thick. So we're going to need more shaking, but just to show you, after 5 minutes, we're kind of at that consistency.
Right. Here we go again, 5 minutes, not quite enough.
Not quite enough?
Let's go. Just interesting, this was only half full when I filled it up, but it's now expanded.
Yeah, that's right.
Massively.
A lot of air in there.
Yeah. I'm not sure I'm doing anything anymore because it's making no sound and I can't feel any movement. I'm going to have another look.
Oh, how many minutes? You know?
Ooh!
Is it getting to butter?
It is. It tastes a lot more buttery now than it does of cream.
Okay.
It's a very creamy butter, but it has got definite butter tastes to it.
So you're at that before stage, I'd say.
Ah.
And how many minutes would that have been, do you think?
That would be 7 minutes.
Okay, maybe another minute might get you there.
Yeah. Oh, got a bit of movement there. I finally freed my marble.
That might be the butter.
Oh wow, it's really...
You've got butter.
It's gone solid. It's completely detached from the sides. So now when I'm moving it, it's not the marble moving around, it's the butter going bang, bang, bang around in the box.
You did it. Jonathan!
Wow!
That's amazing. Look how much butter there is.
There's a little liquid separated.
Do you know what that is? Buttermilk.
Ah,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
I haven't got any bread.
I know.
But we are going to have another workshop later on that'll show you what you can spread this on.
Yes. Oh, Jonathan, look at that.
Nice.
Yes.
Pretend that's my bread.
Yum.
Yeah, that spreads. It doesn't look like a liquid anymore, that's for sure.
And imagine if that was in the fridge.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Set. Yeah.
Which is definitely what we'll be doing next. It's actually hard to get off the knife, just like proper butter. That took a bit of getting off there. Wow.
I just can't believe how much butter you got from that much cream.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm up to that stage where you were, I think. The before stage. Yeah.
Oh, yes. It's got
So
swirls in it. It's not coming out. Good and thick.
It's not quite as yellow as yours yet.
Tell me when to stop because I can't see anything.
Okay, just count to 20. Oh, yes, you've done it. You have done it. You have done it. There's liquid in there now. Yes. Yay!
Oh, wow. The change is really sudden.
Isn't it? Is there... Yes, the liquid's in there. See that
Absolutely.
buttermilk?
So it's all sort of, what do you call it, grainy?
Yeah.
Grainy, and then there's down the bottom, you can see a little white liquid, and that's the buttermilk because it's separated. The magic moment when it turns into butter.
So we're going to pop this in the fridge now just to help it firm up, and we do have something special coming soon that we're going to put this butter on. Don't forget to keep watching so you can find out what we need for our next workshop.
For our next workshop, we are going to be making jam. You will need some soft fruit, such as strawberries or raspberries, anything you might have a glut of, or you could buy a packet of frozen fruit that you defrost. You will need sugar, You'll need lemons or lemon juice, either one, you don't need both. You'll need a spoon, a knife, a cup measure, a bowl to mix in, and a microwave.